Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo with Oneplus 8 Pro charger port replacement guide. Also the main flex and the LCD flex replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, insert a plastic carbide tool and slowly cut the adhesive around. In between, you can use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Make sure to take off the SIM tray. First, it needs to take out the mainboard protector frame and wireless coil by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Take out the protector cover and disconnect all plugs, which are the battery, LCD, main flex and the charger port plug. Move to the bottom section and take off the screws. Undo 7 screws and remove the plastic protector cover. Now on top of the charger port, undo 2 screws on the port end. Disconnect the antenna board and fingerprint plug. And then you can disconnect the main flex plug and 2 antennas. Now you can take off the card slot board. Disconnect the LCD connector and take off the battery by releasing the adhesive. Then you can move the battery protector tape to the left hand side and remove the main, LCD and charge port flex cables. There is an adhesive strip on the edge, just make sure to move to the left hand side. The cable on the right hand side is the LCD connector, and the one on the left hand side is the charger port flex cable, and the cable in the center is the main flex cable. If you need to replace any of these, take off the required flex cable and replace it with a new unit. Now we can start putting back the flex cables, starting with the charger port flex cable. Insert the port side to the charger port slot and connect it to the logic board. Now we can add the LCD flex cable and connect it to the logic board. Next, we can add the card slot board and insert 2 screws on top of the charger port. Now we can add the main flex cable and connect it to the logic board. Move the adhesive protector cover and add the battery to the board. On the bottom, plug in the Touch ID and antenna board connectors to the logic board and also the 2 antennas. Now add the plastic protector board and insert all 7 screws. Next, plug in the battery connector and then we can move the logic board cover with the wireless coil to the board. Insert all screws back and replace the main back cover. Ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.